Birthday list started off with Raylynn Murphy celebrating her 5th birthday, a resplendent cake that looks like she's about to take down as well to celebrate. Raylynn, a very happy birthday in Seneca with wishes coming from Mommy, Daddy, Roman, Ryder, Renly, and Nanny.
I think she's building.
I did that out of memorization. I made that up off the top of my head.
The picture's cropped a little bit, but I feel like that's a part of a gingerbread house, possibly.
Okay, I'm on board.
I like that. Well, she's got her little reindeer Christmas shirt on, so maybe you ate a little frosting in the process. All in all, a good day. I like it.
I do too.
All right, happy birthday, Raylynn. And Cal Saporito turning 14 years old this year.
Cal, you cannot throw the football into the SUV. Come on, man.
No, it looks like he's like, Mom said, stop, let me take your picture, and then you can go.
That's how windows get broken.
Cal is in Columbus.
Happy birthday, Cal. Kendall Young with a sweet 16th birthday. Miss Kendall, a very happy birthday wish. I hope your 16th is everything that you wanted as she celebrates in Parsons.
Pretty picture. And we've got Tyler Natalieini celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Tyler is in Scammon.
In St. Paul, Jody Brown celebrating a happy 47th birthday. I don't know who the little one is on the right.
She's smiling and the little girl's like,
I love, Jody's like, yeah, birthday pic, let's get this. And the one on the right is just like, great.
She's like, I should be the focus of this picture.
But Jody, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, ma'am.
That's so cute, so cute. All right, happy birthday, Jody, and happy birthday to Denny Gillard.
That's a cool picture right there.
That is a really cool picture. He says, I'm ready.
Cool
faster.
Picture.
That's the signal for faster.
It is. It
yes.
also looks like Denny could be a part of the Go-Go's video for vacation when they were water skiing. I would sign him up for that.
Look how
That's
blue
great.
that water is. Man.
All right, for all of those of you at the Guthridge Elementary School in Parsons, Miss Aly Jones is celebrating a birthday, and she is a 4th grade teacher. Aly, thank you for taking care of those kiddos, and a very happy birthday as well.
All right. And a special happy birthday coming to you from your grandkids out to Robert Hall in Erie. Happy birthday, Mr. Hall.
Jay Berry celebrating a birthday in Crestline. Jay, a very happy birthday to you.
And we've got an anniversary celebration in Pittsburgh for the Curtains. Congrats going out to John and Marianne.
Line it up at Medical Lodges, folks, because Joanna Parsons and Georgia Robinson both with birthdays at Medical Lodges. So if you have a chance, make sure you bebop by, track them down, and wish them a very happy birthday. And Joanna and Georgia, from all of us here at KOM, we wish you a happy birthday as well.
And let's see, Matt Bacon is celebrating birthday number 21 this year. We got another Saporito birthday in Columbus. Holly Saporito. Happy birthday.
Sydney Lehman wraps it up as Sid recognizes the big number 9. Happy birthday, Miss Sydney in Reeds. A happy birthday and happy anniversary.